Hello, my name is Sage Steffen, and I am a specialist with the Nevada State Writing Center. In this video, I will be walking you through how to make an online appointment with one of our writing specialists through the service called Penji. Please watch the video in full before you make your online appointment. There are a couple ways you can access Penji from your student portal. One way is to navigate to the sidebar on the left, click on Student Services, and then click on Penji. Another way is to sign into your Canvas account, look at the gray sidebar on the left and locate Resources, and click on Writing Center. This will bring you to the Writing Center Canvas page, where you can find information on hours of operation, what you need to know for your writing session, and additional resources for your writing projects. Scroll down to Book Now and click on it, or click on the Online Sessions option. You can launch Penji from this page by clicking on the Click Here link. You can also just type in penjiapp.com into the search bar, or download the free Penji app from the Google Play Store or App Store on your mobile or tablet device. If this is your first time using Penji, go ahead and click on Get Started and follow the prompts for setting up your student account. You will need to give them your school email and agree to the terms of services and privacy policy. You should see the option to Learn or Teach. Click on Learn to be able to use Nevada State services like the Writing Center. If you already have a Penji account, you can sign in with an SSO or single sign-on, the same way you signed in to your student portal. Our school domain is nsc.edu. Now that you have a student account with Penji, be sure to select the option that says Writing Center. From there, these are the options you will see for our services. To make a live video appointment with a specialist through Zoom, or to submit your writing to us and receive our feedback through a recorded video response, click on the first option, Schedule a single Zoom or asynchronous appointment. A synchronous online appointment is when you'll meet with a specialist online through a video conferencing platform called Zoom to get live feedback and talk to the specialist about your writing project. An asynchronous online appointment is another option where you will make the appointment and then submit your writing project and other materials by completing a survey. The writing specialist will review what you submitted, then send you a recorded video with feedback for your project. To make a synchronous or asynchronous online appointment, follow these steps. Select Schedule a single Zoom or asynchronous appointment. You'll see a list of possible writing projects that you may be asking for help with. If your writing project is for a class assignment, we recommend selecting Academic Writing. You can add more topics by clicking on Edit Topics and selecting any topic that best describes the piece of writing you want help with. Next, you need to pick a day and time from our available time slots to schedule your appointment. If you want a synchronous Zoom session, this will be the date and time of your meeting. If you want an asynchronous session, you won't be expected to connect with us on Zoom, but you will still need to select a date and time. Penji will show you all the available writing specialists for the time you chose. If you want to learn more about the different specialists, you can click on their profile and read their bios. If you want to look at the other profiles, you can use the back arrow at the top of the page to go back and see the other specialists. Once you find a specialist with options that suit your needs, you can select the appointment type. This is where you'll choose to have a Zoom meeting session or an asynchronous session. Click on the one you want. Now here's the part where you can tell the specialist about your writing project and what you want help with. Please take some time to fill this out so we can understand what you want to work on and be prepared to support you. Before you commit to the appointment, you can review all of the details one more time and make sure everything is correct. If you need to make changes, you can use the back arrow at the top of the page, or just exit out of the appointment. If you're ready to confirm the appointment, click Complete. Now you've made your online appointment, but you're not done yet. There's still more you need to do before your online session, like submitting your materials to us. If you made an asynchronous appointment, you will need to click on this option next, called Asynchronous Pre-Session Survey, complete after making an appointment. This will take you to a Google form where you'll be asked to sign in to your Gmail account and fill out this survey about what your name is, what class your project is for, and what your project is about. You can also upload any session materials you want to include, such as your current draft of your writing project, the prompt or rubric for your assignment, or anything else that may be helpful for us to know about your project. You can upload these materials directly from your Google Drive or just from your device. Again, this step is only for asynchronous appointments. If you made a synchronous Zoom appointment, you will follow different instructions. You can view your upcoming appointments on the main Penji page. Click on the appointment here to open up more options. For a synchronous Zoom appointment, you will need to submit your writing project materials for us to look at with you. If you click on the second option, Open Session Materials, it takes you to a Google Drive folder that was created by Penji specifically for this session. Your writing specialist will be able to view anything you upload here. Sign in to your Google account and upload any materials that you might need for your session, such as your current draft, prompt and rubric, and any other items that may be useful. As your writing specialists, we appreciate when you can give us some additional information like this for your session, so we can be better prepared to help you. You can also ask questions to the writing specialist you scheduled the session with by using this View Session Chat Room feature. After making your appointment, you should have gotten an email confirmation to your school email, which you can sign into by going back to your Nevada State Student Portal and clicking on Email. Email confirms your appointment. If you made a synchronous Zoom session appointment, that email should include the Zoom link to join the session when it's time. You can also find your Zoom link in the Session Details section with the Meeting ID and Open in Zoom button. For asynchronous appointments, you only need to make sure that you filled out the pre-session survey, which I explained earlier in the video. Keep an eye on your email for messages and feedback from your writing specialist. If you need to cancel your session, you can do that by clicking on the 3 dots at the top of the Session Details page and selecting Cancel Session. That concludes our walkthrough of how to set up an online appointment with the Nevada State Writing Center through the service called Penji. If you have any additional comments, questions, or concerns, please contact us during our regular hours by calling us at 702-992-2750, emailing us at writingcenter@nsc.edu, or stopping by in person during our regular hours. You can find our office in the Liberal Arts and Sciences Building, or LAS, in room 125. Thank you for watching. We look forward to working with you on your writing projects.